24 hours in the car? Well, at least not in the trunk. No, that's not going to work either.
Wow.
Wow, this is much better. It's hard to be a girl. I did my nails, read a magazine, talked about the latest gossip, and now I'm bored. Oh, what should I do? How do I have fun? Why is Lily smiling like that? Yeah! I have an idea. Do you trust me? Of course I trust you. You know me better than anyone else in the world. Well then, hurry up. Follow me. Here's my idea. It looks more like a bus. It is, but if you look closely, it's not just a bus. And all these things are here for a reason. Everything you'll need for the near future is in this car. But you need to add a couple more details. Are you serious? Woohoo! Of course! All this coziness will fit perfectly.
Wow.
And let's lift it! The sofa is inside. Now we need to move the clothes rack. Are you sure we need all this? Yes! It'll look gorgeous! Okay, should we decorate? I have a couple of design ideas. Decorate the walls with pink satin fabric. Use binder clips. And be sure to hang curtains on the windows. Oh! So Instagrammable! Cover the sofa with a soft blanket and cushions. Just don't sleep here for the whole 24 hours. It's tempting, though. Tighten the rope. Drape the boring bus walls with bright fabric. The closet is super important. You can't take pictures in the same place all the time. Add a shiny curtain. Hang some battery-powered fairy lights. Lighting is important. And some posters for more good vibes. Paper flags will brighten it up, too. Here we go. I think we're ready. I almost forgot. We're having a challenge, which starts right now. Spend 24 hours in the car and don't leave it under any circumstances. So, let's go? Just one more thing. Who's going to drive? The friends use the good old rock, paper, scissors. This has never failed before. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! Yes. And our driver is going to be Lily! So let's take our places. Let's use the GPS. Oh no, the battery is almost dead. Wait a minute, I'm going to run and get the charger. Oh no, Lily, we're having a challenge. 24 hours without leaving the car. But I know what to do. I need to call Mom. Good thing she is home. Mom, can you bring us a charger to the car? Don't ask any questions. Thank you. Well, now we are definitely ready. Yeehaw! Road trips are great. We're here together, driving past some beautiful views. Awesome! It's great and all, but I'm hungry. How can we eat without getting out of the car? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Drive-thrus are always a great idea. Slow down, let's order. 2 burger combos, please. Now let's go to the window with the cash register. Who's paying? Let the cashier decide. Choose any card you like. Oh, she chose my card. Okay then, but next time you pay. Now we have to pick up the order at the next window. Our drinks, our food. All right, we can keep going. To see more interesting things, it is better to drive without stopping. But you can't have a normal meal while driving. Says who? When we're together, we can do anything. Open your mouth. Here's your food. Mmm, this is delicious. Can I have a sip of Coke? Now it's perfect. Traveling is great, but sooner or later, the driver needs to take a break. Break time! It's time to relax and have some fun. How about swapping phones? Well, let's try it. And then open Tinder and pick out a real prince for your friend. The idea is really cool. Finally, she can date a normal guy. That's what both girls are thinking. But it seems like their fun is going too far. Hey, he's not my type at all. What? Are you kidding me? Why are you texting him? You can keep this prince to yourself. It's time to stop this game before we hurt each other's feelings. How about a movie? Lily brought a projector for a reason. All you have to do is set up the screen and stock up on popcorn. We can watch a movie without it. And to make the movie night even better, you have to change into pajamas. It's me! Yes, and this is me. This is so exciting. And an acting game. But it seems like the girls got too tired on the road. They're dozing off. Sweet dreams, girls! The challenge is still going on. Why are the birds being so loud? It's morning, so it's time to wake up, sleepyheads. Sleeping in the car was not so bad. This isn't a king-size bed, obviously, but it's still comfortable. We can still do our beauty routine in the car. A mask for you, a mask for me, and no trace of our long drive yesterday. Patches with unicorns. That's so cute. Wow, that's refreshing. Bye-bye, puffiness. For your morning to be good, you need a hearty breakfast. What can I do for breakfast in the car? Chocolate cereal with milk. Delicious! And for dessert, donuts and coffee. The girls are going home, so they need to have a good meal. Delicious! It's the breakfast of champions! While the girls were having breakfast, the sun rose some more. Wow! Unbelievable! So beautiful! It's the perfect place for a photo shoot! It's like we can read each other's thoughts! Let's dress up nicely and take a couple of cool pictures! We didn't bring so many clothes for nothing! Strike a pose! There you go! Turn around! Smile! Not so wide! Look away! Perfect! Now you, Jane! Yeah, okay! Lift the cup a little higher! Beautiful! You're a great photographer! And selfies! Come on, let's take selfies! Gorgeous! The photo session is over and the challenge isn't done yet. But the girls aren't bored at all. They have lots planned. They can play the ukulele, talk about fashion, go through the outfits. Do we have any food left? And they can also exercise. 1, 2, 1, 2. And now you can admire nature and enjoy some snacks. What a beautiful view! I could look at this forever. Time flies when you're having fun. Oh, the alarm! Look, it's already 12 a.m. We can get out of the car. The challenge is over and the girls did a great job. It's time to go home. So, let's go? I hope we have a good ride. Did you like our 24 hours in the car challenge? Would you like to try something like this? Tell us in the comments. Check out more interesting videos on our channel. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the bell so you don't miss new sketches and challenges on Troom Troom Wow!